Let me show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on POCO C85. If you want to go to the recovery mode, first we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. There we go. And of course now we want to slide up over here, this white circle, to shut down the phone. We need to wait for the phone to completely turn off. But after that, what you want to do is you want to use the power button and volume up button. So you will turn on the phone and it should go into the recovery mode. So I'm gonna press and hold both of these buttons and just keep holding them. If nothing happens after a couple of seconds, then you can just repeat that. But in my case, I can see the POCO logo. And once you see the POCO logo, you want to hold volume up only. It actually rebooted my phone for a second because I missed that. But once you see the POCO logo or once you feel the vibration, you just want to hold volume up. Otherwise, you will be stuck in that loop, turning off and restarting the phone all the time. So now we are in the recovery mode. And in here, we want to use volume buttons in order to navigate in this menu. So that's how we can use the recovery mode. And if you want to exit it, you just want to make sure that the reboot option is selected, and then you confirm your choice by using the power button. Then once again confirm by selecting reboot to system, and the phone should turn back on and go into the normal mode again once it turns on. And that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.